Mario, you ready? I see you, boy.
This is Mario. He's usually behind the camera, but here he's killing his first chicken.
I was not scared.
No, he was scared.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit.
This is Mr. Zhang. He's lived up in the jungles of Sichuan for the last 20 years. For a living, he hosts and cooks for visitors from the city. He's part of a growing sector of business owners who are catering to urban tourists looking for a weekend getaway. These places are called nongjiales, or happy farmer homes. Here, Zhang grows his own food, and guests can either relax or participate in the process.
来了又是一餐，我们吃猪不？像这儿山上我们吃猪肉不？大部分的猪肉哈，都是我们这儿当地喂的猪。
But not every nongjiale is as rustic as his. Some, like this one, are closer to the city and are much, much fancier.
我们中国的农家乐哈，它的发源就是在成都，最早应该是在郫县那边那个地方叫徐家大院，大概从现在来说都有30多年的历史了，就是整个农家乐。当然，当时是从成都发源，然后到最后现在在全国各地，然后陆续都遍地开花。特别在前几年的时候，大家到处都是一个农家小院。为什么大家要愿意上山来找农家院？其实可能就是我们提的有几个说法，就是说，叫时在当令，新鲜采摘，就是说山上嘛，可能还是有这些自然资源，然后那么吃的东西至少，感觉会放心一些。
Today, the Happy Farmer Home has become a full-blown phenomenon. It's the Chinese version of farm-to-table restaurants. And the government has been promoting them as a way to bridge the wealth gap between the rural and urban populations. Now, Happy Farmer Home has many meanings. It's a happy time for the customers. It brings happiness to the restaurateurs, making a living fulfilling people's desires to get away. And it's happy for the mom-and-pop farmers, providing them income without having to leave home.
因为我们做了10多年，20年了，是不？以前15元钱一天的开始，现在做到100多块钱一天，是不？我这个为自然，你们自己，不是都过得很好吗？所以起码点养人在一起噻，是不是？基本生活也能够自己解决噻。你城里面去，你要另外找职业，因为这边环境比较好，主要是这种沟头这些水源啊，那各方面的空气啊，也都没有造污染，是吧？那个都是原生态的。
It's instinct.
Honestly, killing the chicken was pretty scary. For a city person like myself, I never really thought about where my food came from. And staying with Zhang at his nongjiale, I was able to kill my own meat and forage my own vegetables. These will be memories that I'll never forget.